Hello there, YouTube. This is the components we use to seal our grout and tile. Some of the stuff was foam brush, roller, and here's the sealer that we used. It was bought from Lowe's. We used a vacuum to clean up the area first after the tile was grouted. After a couple days. We also wiped down the tile itself, make sure there's no dirt or debris. Here we used the foam brush and roller. First we soaked the grout with the sealer. We try to put a generous amount on the tile and grout. To give it a good seal. So ideally you want to start at the farthest end of the room and finish the coat where you plan to exit. Next step involves waiting 5 minutes and returning and wiping down whatever is left, the excess stuff, from drying completely. Once it was wiped down, we spent another, at the minimum, 30 more minutes to let it dry out and seal, and then we reapplied a second coat, repeating the steps, starting from applying to the tile and grout. Normally you would add it just to the grout itself. This is the finished product. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.